Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve then x power x minus 3 power 2x plus 162, and we have to find the value of x when x can't be equals to 0. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I can write x power x minus 3. Here I can take 2 as common. So what is left? X plus 81 is equals to 0. So x power x is equals to plus 3 power goes to other side, 3 power 2 x plus 81. X power x, according to the property of exponent, x power m power n is equals to x power mn. So I can write this as 3 power 2 and this is as x plus 81. Now x power x is equals to 9 power x plus 81 and x power x is equals to, I can break it as 9 power x times 9 power 81. So x power x, if I'll take 9 power x here, so 9 power 81. And I can write it as x by 9 whole power x is equals to 9 power 81. So 9, we can call it as 81 by 9 also. So if I replace it, then it's look like 81 by 9 power 81. So if I compare both sides, so I can see that the value of x will be 81. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.